So, hi everyone. In behalf of the Ci sono fatti testo. Come si chiama il nostro? Sha. Hi everyone, my name is Gabriel. In behalf of our team, the Cloud, we'll try to present today our application, which wants to be more or less like a fun little social game that you can spend a little bit of time day by day just to decouple a little bit from stress at work, maybe. So it's based on a challenge where you need to match the other person photo. So as you can see here on some already done challenges, there are some challengee, and a challenger, which created a picture, and at some time, the challengee has to basically match whatever. And also there is a blind system implemented into the game where you don't know which one is the challengee or the challenger, and you need to vote if the pictures are matching each other. So you can see here, yay, that means it matched, or maybe nay, this one did not match, as people voted. So here you have a little bit of an example. A short thing that I want to mention is that we are using a free hosting, and due to the nature of the app, we have a lot of requests, and most of the times the server crashes. So sorry about that. If it crashes, you need to start over, try to do a refresh or so when you are testing. Besides that, we have here like a tutorial page where it says you need to challenge a friend, you need to resolve a challenge, and you need also to vote a challenge. Basically, to start everything, the app starts from Slack, actually. The app is built as part of Slack, where we have a MatchMeGram application for Slack, where you subscribe with your user, and hopefully it doesn't crash. It didn't. And at this point, you actually click a link. And let's go back to Firefox because I have some problems with Chrome. So this is the link generated by Slack. And when you enter on it, you are allowed. I mean, you need to allow the camera because you need the camera to work for this to work. And you're basically on the step one, let's say so. And that means you need to take a picture, and you have a timer here. So yay. You can add up to 3 pictures in the challenge. And the third one. Okay, you can view your pictures larger. One of the features would be to delete these ones, but we didn't have time to implement them. Actually, if you want to learn more about the app itself, we have like a description down in the left corner where you can see actually what works, what doesn't work, what we think it would be nice to be implemented, or features of this app. I don't want to keep you reading this one. You can go and read. So I will show you exactly what works. So when I'm done with the pictures, I'm clicking I'm done. And now the next step is to take a challenge. So now I've added some pictures for a challenge, and now I need to take a challenge. So when I will take a challenge, here I'll get a random picture which was not already challenged. So if I take a challenge here, you see I've got this picture from Madeline, and unfortunately I don't have a toothpick to challenge. So well, that would be it. It will be mostly a nay for this picture when someone needs to vote. Well, now this is submitted, and now I can actually do a blind vote. This is the step where I can blind vote. And actually, my wife was at the conference computer, and she took a picture. So obviously these two pictures don't match. So very weird coincidence here. So now I don't know which one is the challengee or which one is the challenger in this phase. So I will vote nay because obviously the pictures don't work. But maybe if my wife it was the challenger, I should say yes, I guess. So yay. So now I voted for this one. The vote is submitted. And what I can do is basically display this page that I had first, like see the latest challenges that have been done. They are not ordered yet, so you may wonder why that challenge that was there, it's the last one, it's not ordered. So I know it's a simple thing, but it was a little bit of exhausting to build the app. So basically in Highlights, this is it. This is the app. We had in mind a lot of features, a deeper integration with Slack, with a lot of commands to challenge directly a fellow a colleague working or a scoring system like a voting or which one is the happiest picture or which one is the grumpiest picture, and maybe weekly or I don't know monthly to generate some rankings and things like that, just to be fun. So most of the things that we had in mind are in here. This is mostly up to date, but due to the fact that it's already late, we wanted to keep the application working like this. So we didn't manage to finalize everything on it. So again, if it crashes, it's hosted on a free base account. So sorry for that. You need to refresh. And I guess that's about it. In order for you to participate, we will need your email addresses to invite basically to our MatchMeGram Slack group, where we have this bot installed that will basically bootstrap. You just need to do a subscribe here, and then you'll get the link for your user, and that's it. Of course, I know security issues and things like that. We have that in mind. It's not done yet in terms of deeply securing the application. So if anyone, for example, if anyone knows your link, kind of can play in your behalf. But we try to make it as unique as possible. So for now, it should be interesting and pretty fun, I say. Well, I guess that's it. Thank you for listening me, and have a nice day.